Hey guys, welcome to Why Not RV. I want to show you this brand new RV air conditioner. It just started shipping on November 1st. It is a true inverter compressor. Now the full review video is coming out tonight at 6 p.m. Eastern. So head over to Why Not RV on YouTube to see more about this unit. Now in 30 seconds, I'm going to try and tell you guys what an inverter compressor is, okay? So basically an inverter compressor air conditioner is that compressor ramps up and down depending on the load, right? So instead of just going from off to fully on at 1200 watts, it's going to just ramp itself up to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 800 watts. And it is so much more energy efficient because it can control the flow of refrigerant better and can keep things cooler at the right level. So stay tuned for tonight.